In this video, I'll show you how to enable staking on Kraken. First, open the Kraken app or visit the Kraken website and sign into your account. Make sure your account is verified and that staking is available in your region. Now, go to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake. If the asset supports staking, you'll see a stake option on its details page. Next, tap or click Stake. Enter the amount of crypto you want to stake, then review the estimated rewards and any applicable terms. After that, confirm the staking request. If this is your first time staking, Kraken may ask you to accept the staking terms before you continue. Now, wait for your request to be processed. Once it's complete, your crypto will begin earning staking rewards based on Kraken's schedule for that asset. Finally, return to your portfolio anytime to check your staked balance, monitor your rewards, or unstake your crypto if the asset supports it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable staking on Kraken. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.